We're on episode 3 of learning how to cook like a French grandma, and today I'm going to learn how to make Téton d'été. This is courgette and tomato bake. Kind of looks like ratatouille from the Ratatouille movie, so I'm really excited for this one. So I've never made anything like this before. I had to translate this one because I didn't want to mess anything up. I feel like, I haven't really made anything kind of like this. So we're gonna do it. It looks really, really easy. Literally all you do is oil the container and then you just put the onion and garlic on the bottom, and then you put slices of tomato and courgette, and then that's it. And you put thyme in between, and that's it. I bought rosemary because I couldn't find any thyme, so I bought rosemary for this one. So yeah, let's give this a go. So I'm going to be serving this dish with fish. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon zest to it as well, and some lemon juice to complement the fish as well. Some garlic and onion. We have all of our beautiful French vegetables here. Tomatoes, courgettes. These are absolutely massive. This one's a small one actually. Here we go. It's a bigger size. They're so big. And lemons. We're going to use rosemary for this recipe. You think it's a banana? It's not a banana, and that's everything, so let's get started. We cut all the veggies. Again, I'm going to use my favorite knife. This one is Worcestershire, the brand here. This is the knife I'm going to use. It's really sharp. It's what chefs would use, and creates really cohesive slices. It's really easy to cut, so let's go. Keep going. You got it! Got distracted by your heart. Your beautiful heart. Look! Well done. You want to... You'll get stingy eyes. I just used this water stone. Slice this way. These are quite thick. We'll cook it later.
So the next 30 seconds is literally just me cutting veggies, and I thought what would be fun is if I shared some of my business ideas with you. So I was thinking a fun business idea that could be really profitable is like an AI that searches the web for you for a particular product that you're looking for secondhand. And then when it finds it, it notifies you and maybe even makes the purchase from your bank account. So you can put in the exact size that you want, where you want to even buy it from, and the moment it comes online, you can snap it up at the best price before anybody else.
Pull it from the end like this. Pull it up here. Back tight. That's right. And it comes off, then you put it in there. That's right, well done. Put it in the little container. We're gonna juice the lemons now. Best I can. I kind of want to juice it into this, I think. Thank you, Lee. Oh, and I realized that my containers are not big enough, so Lee just went and bought me a big Pirates one, which I needed anyway, so. Okay, let's do it, lemons. Don't have any juicers, so we're just gonna do this. Do the rosemary. Recipe calls for 3 tablespoons. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Perfect. We're gonna go like this. We have our new Pyrex container. Tomato warrior. We're gonna put it in here. Oh yeah, beauty. I'm just gonna cover that. Oil and I'm gonna add a little bit more oil just to my hands, just for the edges so I don't have any sticking. Beauty. Perfect. Cool. Now we're gonna do, like the instructions say, we're gonna get our onions and garlic on the base. I feel like this should have butter in it, but it's not. Then, oh, that's good. Okay. this with the tomato and our courgette, and we're going to alternate. I think I'm going to start with courgette. Courgette here. Just courgette.
So more veggies, so let's do another business idea. So another idea that I had just tonight actually was to create a company that works with brands and micro-influencers and brand new brands. The brand new brands send their products to the company, and the company finds micro-influencers in that particular niche and sends them the brand new products. The way that you would make this profitable is by doing affiliate links, so like affiliate codes, but the affiliate money gets sent to the company, not to the micro-influencer, because the micro-influencer is gaining value through gaining experience working with brands and working with products. As a micro-influencer myself, I would love this. What do you guys think?
To drizzle this with oil, so let's do that. It's looking pretty good. Drizzle with oil. Oh gosh, I don't want to add too much because it's really going to increase the calories on that one. But anyway, I'm going to salt this heavily. Pepper it heavily as well. I'll show you guys. It looks really beautiful. So a little bit, maybe too peppery, I don't know. Can't go wrong, right? Alright, beautiful. Let's chuck it in the oven. Oh. This is the finished product. Looks really beautiful. Do you like it?
Tastes good.
I think it's yummy.